Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying some new products and I'm really excited because these are from brands that I really like. I'm undoing my hair from the style. It was really cute and fun while it lasted, but now, as you know, I wash my hair every week, so it's time to wash it. As always, I section my hair into fours, so that's what I'm going to do now. I am going to use a little bit of water to help with detangling my hair. And I'm not 100% sure what happened to the next clip while transporting it onto my laptop, but all I did after I sectioned my hair into quadrants was spray some more water, and then I'm going to apply hemp seed oil onto each section of hair. That's the oil that's in my hair right now. I only used hemp seed oil and this oil is amazing. I picked it up from Whole Foods because it was the only oil that I saw there that I've never used before, and I'm so glad I did. Hemp seed oil has so many benefits, not only for your hair but also for your body, and it's very, very moisturizing. This oil had my hair feeling so soft and silky. Like, my hair loves this oil. So after I sectioned my hair, applied the oil, and then I twisted it up just to secure that moisture in my hair, I applied a plastic cap on top. This is just going to help with the pre-poo process. I left this cap on for about 10 minutes until I got in the shower to rinse it out. I'm going to rinse the hemp seed oil out with some warm water, and as I've already mentioned, this oil is amazing. It had my hair feeling so soft, so moisturized, so smooth. Oh my gosh, I will definitely be using this oil in the future. My hair just really loves it. For my shampoo, I'm using the Simply Smoothing Coconut and Marula shampoo from Masque, and as you can see, it's clear and it's also lightweight. Many of you that have been watching my wash day videos know that I love a creamy cleanser just because I love the way it works in my hair and also lathers. A little bit of the shampoo goes a long way, but I like to apply a lot of shampoo because, one, I only shampoo my hair once. So I section my hair into quadrants and apply the shampoo on my scalp and also the length of my hair, and then I'll do the other 3 sections, work the shampoo as one, and then rinse it out. So I feel that that is sufficient for me. I don't have to wash my hair 2 and 3 times. Also, because I really love lathering the shampoo in my hair. This shampoo felt so soft in my hair. It felt like a bubble bath being worked on my hair and on my scalp. That's how soft it is. It feels really good in my hair, and I want a nice clean scalp. I've noticed as I'm cleaning my hair and also cleaning my scalp with the shampoo, it feels so good. So I really want to make sure that my scalp is clean, getting rid of all that buildup, because a clean scalp is a happy scalp, and that is what I want. After I finish working the shampoo on my scalp and also my hair, I'm going to rinse it out with some warm water. For my conditioner, I'm going to be using the Simply Smoothing Coconut and Marula conditioner from Masque, and this is a creamy conditioner, but it's also lightweight. So after I make sure that my hair is nice and soaking wet, and I'm also applying this in subsections in the quadrants. So that's what I've learned that works best for my hair as I'm applying conditioner. Just make sure after I have the quadrant, I do separate it again. So with this conditioner, I did have to apply a good amount just to make sure that I did get that slip and that moisture feeling that I want. But it definitely gave me that feeling. I just had to apply a generous amount. After I work the conditioner in really good, I'm also going to use a wide tooth comb. This is going to further work the conditioner into your hair strands. I really want the conditioner to work to its best potential in my hair, so I also do that step. And once I'm finished working in the subsection, I'm going to twist it up just to make sure that my hair does retain that moisture from the conditioner, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the rest of my hair. And once this section is twisted, I'm just going to clip it up and then continue on the other 3 sections of hair. And once I've applied the conditioner on all 4 sections of my hair, I'm just going to rinse the conditioner out 1 section at a time, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner to each section right after. After rinsing the conditioner out of this section, my hair does feel really good. For my deep conditioner, I'm using the Banana Love Deep Intense Moisture Mask from Pacifica, and as you can see, the consistency isn't really dense. And one thing that I've learned from being natural is that my hair is medium porosity, and porosity just refers to how well your hair is able to absorb and hold moisture. So knowing your hair's porosity will help you choose the right products to keep your hair well moisturized, supple, strong, shiny, and resilient. So knowing your porosity is definitely a staple when finding the right hair care products. And you can see the consistency of this mask. So for me, I really think that this would work as a good conditioner, and maybe someone with low porosity, this mask would be a little bit better for. And once I'm finished working the mask in my hair really well, I'm just going to twist it to keep that moisture in my hair, twist it up, and then work on the other 3 sections of hair. After I've applied the mask to all 4 sections of hair, I'm just going to put the same plastic cap on my hair while I take a shower. And about 10 minutes later, here is how my hair looks. So even though the mask wasn't dense, my hair still feels pretty good. As I'm rinsing the mask out, I notice that my hair feels really good and soft, and the moisture is definitely there. And to dry my hair, I'm just going to use a cotton t-shirt. I find that by doing this, the moisture is just locked in my hair a lot better until I'm ready to style it versus using a towel. And that is it for my wash day. I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!